always thought second-day pizza tastes better, but regular ovens never quite get it to that first-day consistency, which is why I love the Pizzaiolo. The 350-degree Fahrenheit style setting is perfect for reheating pizza without making it soggy like last night's vegetable supreme. Simply insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity, turn the style dial to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for this setting. You can adjust the time by turning this dial. You'll notice the temp light start to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. Now, we'll use the pizza peel to place the pizza directly on the pizza stone, but don't use the peel whenever you're using the pizza pan. If you were using the pizza pan, remove the handle first. Now, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. The recommended cook time for this setting is 10 minutes. A handy tip when cooking any type of pizza is to make sure that your oven is preheated before placing the pizza into the oven. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, wait until the At Temp light turns solid before loading your next pizza. And if you're cooking different types of pizzas, be sure to start with the type that uses the lowest temperature. At the end of the cooking cycle, the oven alert will sound and the time dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your pizza. Even more delicious than yesterday.